to hurry down the chimney tonight.
Today we're going to be doing the tin can challenge, you guys. I don't know what these cans are. Like, Skyla got them.
That was an accident, Mom. That was an accident.
Anyways, I don't know what these cans are. Skyla got them, and yeah. So we're going to be using our handy dandy mask. You cannot see through it whatsoever. So the way this...
It was like a damn episode of The Damn Office.
It's insane. Like, we cannot get a normal video. Like, we can't bring you normal content that you see like on other channels. Like, this is just like...
This is what people don't put in.
This is what people don't put in, exactly. Alyssa's gonna go first. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Sheesh! I do not want to go first. I was thinking Alyssa was gonna go first for sure. Okay, so I literally can't see anything. I literally can't see.
How many fingers am I holding up?
I'm gonna guess 3. Oh my god, I can't do this. Please, God. Alyssa, stop. Alyssa, stop. Alyssa, stop. Stop! 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 I got a whiff of something through my mask. Oh.
Okay, ready?
Okay, wait, okay? Let me just soak it in.
You better not give me this big bite.
You better not give me a big bite, Alyssa, please, Alyssa. From your mom, I need to hurt you.
Open. Mom, go before you. It's gonna go on your shirt. It's gonna go on your shirt.
Go. Okay, wait. Okay, woo.
Can you hurry, please?
Wait.
Open big.
Alyssa, please don't hurt me and don't bump my teeth. Remember, I have fake teeth, okay?
I won't. Open big though. So it doesn't go in everywhere.
And don't try and spread it all over my
I
mouth.
won't. You damn weirdo. Come on.
Okay.
You have to do it. This taste will be gone by tomorrow, okay?
What's that smell?
Come on, Mom.
It's fit.
Mom!
What is it?
You got it all over your shirt. Oh my god.
Enrique, look away.
Wait, and go in the bag. Go in the bag.
What was it?
I have no idea.
What?
I don't know anything.
It was like a salsa or tomato paste. I have no idea.
Okay, this is gonna be your favorite thing in ever.
You have to guess what it is.
Green beans.
Alyssa's favorite thing.
Oh my god.
Corn. Baby corn.
Oh, how?
Open your mouth.
No. I don't want to do this.
Alyssa, you haven't even eaten it yet.
That was Mom's damn finger.
Oh. I can't even see.
4, 3, 2, 1.
You should have just put it in there.
Alyssa, I'm not gonna shove it in her mouth.
My braces. Baby hot dog.
It was.
Ew, there's baby hot dog on there.
I know, I'm trying to cut around that.
I don't want baby hot dog. Those are so gross to me.
Baby urchin.
Oh my god. I don't like the way it smells.
Favorite urchins.
Wait, what is it?
Okay, Mom. Open
You have
it
to
up.
open your mouth actually really big this time. Like big.
This is actually not gonna be that bad. It doesn't smell
Okay.
bad. And it's actually good. Like you like
It's
these.
good for
These
you.
are your favorite.
Chew it. Chew it till you know what it is.
Guess what it is?
Worms. Don't throw up. Don't throw up. Don't throw up.
Is it
Don't throw up.
green
Don't
beans?
throw up! Open your damn bag behind you, boy. Damn disgusting.
Is it green beans? Is it green beans?
No.
No.
It's
Oh my god, that's what they look like? What are they?
you have to actually eat this one in your mouth, Alyssa.
Sorry.
You know
Peace.
my face.
I knew it.
Stab my eye.
Oh no! It's disgusting, huh?
We should have saved it for last.
What?
Wait, no, not like that. Like last is like good.
That's gross.
let's open your mouth.
Chew it.
Chew it. You gotta guess what it is.
This is gonna fall on the floor.
I know what that is. That's disgusting.
It's a lot
Chew
of
it.
them. It's a lot of them.
You have to chew it, Alyssa.
Chew it. You gotta guess.
Take a bite. No,
Look
no,
at me,
no.
Look at me, son.
Close.
Look at me, son.
No.
Lucky.
Oh.
Shut up.
This is not what we thought what it was gonna be.
Damn it.
I think I know what it is. I don't have to do it because I know what it is.
No, you have to put it in your mouth. You at
what
least
is
have to
it?
taste it.
It's like Chef Boyardee or something nasty.
Not even close.
I
would
would
eat
eat
it.
the formioli.
I'm gonna eat this.
Chew every bite. 2 more. Leave it 5 more.
Oh, you missed the bag.
It's ravioli with hot dogs, isn't it?
My
It's-
face.
There was some type of hot dog in there. I hate spaghettios.
This is SpaghettiOs.
It's okay.
Oh my
Spaghettios
god.
are good.
Why
for
do you
you.
wear his bet?
I told you.
Hell no. Go to
Take off your damn mask, woman. Why are you walking around like blind?
Oh wait.
Oh, that's gonna be a good one.
Wait, no spoon.
Oh, this is disgusting.
Wait, what is that?
Why is it slimy?
It has a tail.
I'm gonna take the tail off, dude. That's gross. That's too much for her. Poor thing.
Alyssa, you have to try because the last 2 you didn't. No, not like that.
Alyssa, come on. I've been doing it right.
Why is it black though?
It's only black on some parts.
It's a little bit green.
Come on,
Is that brown
Alyssa.
there?
Just open your mouth like I've been. You think I want to? I prefer getting closer.
No one's getting damn closer.
Santa, he's behind you. He's not gonna let you escape. Okay, that sounds like there's a lot of suction in there. It's not. That sounds like it's been on the shelves for years.
Why is it watery?
Why
What is it even matter?
they're sticking out too much?
Stop! Stop! Get a plate! Get a plate!
Wait,
Get a
what
plate!
is it?
Stop!
Good. Oh my god.
Can she eat that? Can she eat that?
I mean, Eric is throwing up again. I can hear him.
Okay, Mom, I need you to open your mouth big.
Like really big.
Okay.
Are you ready? But you have to hurry up because it's falling up. What?
What? I feel something's falling on me. Okay.
Oh, it's dripping everywhere.
Look up! Look up! Look up! Look up! Oh my god! It's stuck in my teeth! What is this?
Oh.
What is it?
Oh my god. Is this who we are? Is this who we've become?
It's disgusting.
Wait, what is it?
Roxy would eat
Oh, I
it.
smell it.
Oh,
Dog food.
No.
no.
Nowhere near that.
This.
Open.
Cookies. Alyssa, you have to open your mouth.
Ah.
No, chew it. Chew it.
Alyssa!
Well, why smell like that?
Oh, good one.
Oh, it's actually smelled pretty good.
So you have to take a bite.
A bite?
Wait.
Wait, what is it?
Chew it. Mom, you like it.
That's weird.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
What the hell?
Like me. No. No.
Oh yeah, that looks delicious.
Okay.
yeah.
Sure.
Oh,
That actually does look pretty delicious.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I smell it.
Chew it, chew it, chew it, chew it.
Where's in my braces? It's not that bad, but
It's a tamale.
Shout out of the day.
A shout out of the day. Take yourself away. With shout out.
of the day.
The
Shout out of the day
vocals?
goes to Chloe Chris.
Chloe, Chris, thank you so much for watching.
And we love you, but
Yes.
I love you more.
Thank you for spamming the comments. We love you so much. I hope that you're watching right now. And I hope that you never try any of these cans because they are terrible. We have so much coming for you guys in the next 27 days. We're going to be
And
vlogging
the 21.
every day this month.
21, Mom.
Oh my god, look, I got stuck on a hook. Oh my god, Alyssa, somebody's fishing in the kitchen. The neighbors, they're fishing. The neighbors that live on top of us. Oh no! Oh no!
Mom.
Oh no! Oh, this smells like fish, Alyssa.
That's not my fault you don't stink. I just stop wearing them like underwear.